Hi, welcome to my channel Home Gardening. In this video I am going to show you how to grow Aparajita plant, that is bluebell vine plant or butterfly pea plant, from seeds, and after reaching the plant to its flowering stage, how to bring more flowers in it. Aparajita is a very hardy plant and it is very easy to grow plant. Its flowering time is mainly from July to September in northern India, and its scientific name is Clitoria tarnacea. So let's get started. These are the seeds of Aparajita or bluebell vine. I am going to sow these seeds in a clay pot. These are the seed pods of Aparajita. Seeds are contained in these seed pods. I am going to sow the seeds in this clay pot. Here I have taken only garden soil. Now I am not going to add any fertilizer in it. First I will allow the seeds to germinate, then I will apply some fertilizer mix. So here I am sowing few seeds, and I will cover it with thin layer of soil. Now I am watering the soil thoroughly. And I will keep the pot in a semi-shaded area until the seeds germinates. You can see how beautifully these Aparajita seedlings have sprouted. This is an update after 4 days. Here you are seeing the results after 20 days. You can see how nicely these Aparajita seedlings are growing up. Today I will transplant these seedlings into ground. You can grow them in bigger size pot also, around 10 to 12-inch pot. Here I will transplant the Aparajita sapling. I have prepared the soil by mixing cow dung compost here. Aparajita is very much easy growing plant. Even if you don't apply any compost, it will go well. Now digging a hole here around 10-inch deep. And now I am transplanting it. Now I will water it thoroughly. This is the update after 2 months. You can see that how nicely my Aparajita vine is doing. I like a wild spread of Aparajita over my fencing. That's why I have chosen this place. Aparajita loves full sunlight. Therefore, you always choose a place where your Aparajita vine will receive plenty of sunlight, at least 5 to 6 hours a day. And this is the right place in my garden where it is receiving full sunlight for at least 4 to 5 hours a day. Here I am going to prepare a fertilizer mix to increase the flowering in my Aparajita vine. This plant needs phosphorus rich fertilizer to increase the flowering. Here I am going to prepare a 50-gram fertilizer mix. For that I am going to take 5 teaspoon of bone meal, which is rich in phosphorus. So here I have taken 5 teaspoon of bone meal. Now I will add 3 teaspoon of DAP in it. Now I am adding 3 teaspoon of DAP in it. Since my Aparajita vine is in the ground, so if my fertilizers amount becomes little more, it won't affect the plant much. But if your Aparajita vine is in a pot, then you have to be careful about fertilizers amount. For example, if you have planted it in a 10-inch or 12-inch pot, then you have to take 1 teaspoon of DAP and 3 to 4 teaspoon of bone meal. Then mix these two things well. Now I will mix it well with the soil. Apply this fertilizer mix once in a month. One more thing I need to discuss with you. If you have planted this vine into your clay pot, then you must have to take care of the soil quality. Soil should be well drained soil. You can prepare it by mixing 1/4 part of river sand with the garden soil. If you don't have DAP, that is diammonium phosphate, you can use NPK also. NPK 19-19-19 will work well here. Every morning I drink a cup of blue tea, which is a herbal tea. I drink this tea because it is rich in antioxidants, which cleans our body, helps in burning extra calories, rejuvenate our skin, and there are various other health benefits as well. This vibrant tea is made from adding the petals of Aparajita flowers into boiling water, and then the water is boiled for next 5 minutes more. Adding lemon juice brings a purplish blue color into the tea.